In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 strapping tools in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. IDL Packaging is one of the leading manufacturers of all types of packaging solutions. Their packaging is made from high-quality materials, and it's durable enough to handle all kinds of applications. The IDL packaging range is complete, and it's easy to find what you need. The packaging kits are well-rounded, and they're very handy to have around. While you're going to need the whole range of packaging, the company's experts will be able to help you figure out what you need. Each package is made to last for many years, and they're highly resistant to all types of chemicals. They're built to withstand high temperatures and withstand impacts too. The packaging is very well made, and it'll protect your products from dust, dirt, and moisture. You can find the full range of their products in the IDL store, and the company is also known for providing great customer service and fast delivery. So if you're looking for high-quality packaging, the IDL is a great option. Number 4. Hapibulai A333 Steel Strapping Tool, Manual Seamless Strapping Tool, Steel Belt Packing Machine, Metal Bending Tools for 1x2 inches, 3x4 inches Steel Straps Bending. One of the best comes from Hapibulai, which makes some of the best manual and automatic strapping tools for steel strapping, as well as other types of strapping. The A333 is an excellent choice if you're looking for a great manual strapping tool for steel belts. It has a powerful engine that's good at high speed, and it's compact in size. The strapping width and thickness is customizable, and the tool can handle multiple sizes of steel belts. This manual strapping tool is made of high-quality alloy, making it sturdy and durable. The engine body and components are all made of high-strength alloy, so you'll get years of reliable service from this tool. The steel belt packing machine has a good speed range. This tool can handle steel straps from 1x2 inch to 3x4 inch wide and from 0.015 to 0.023 inch thick, which is ideal for packaging a variety of goods. If you're looking for a reliable manual strapping tool for steel belts, the A333 is a good option. Number 3. Strapping Tools Integrated Pneumatic Iron Belt Baler is a great option. It does everything from tensioning and tightening up the steel belt, to locking and cutting off the end of the steel belt. It is a very sturdy build and can handle the tensioning of steel belts. There are plenty of sizes and widths to choose from. This makes it easy to choose a belt that will work for your project. It's also very simple to use. All you need to do is connect the air pump to the tension machine and then tighten up the steel belt. It's that easy. And because it's so powerful, you won't have to worry about any damage to your equipment. It's important to note that a steel belt can be made of different thicknesses, but the recommended thickness is between 0.4 to 0.7 millimeters. You'll find that the machine is very quiet when you're using it. The only noise you'll hear is from the air pump, which isn't loud at all. The Hanshin Pneumatic Strapping Tools Integrated Strapping Machine 16mm or 19mm Steel Belt Pneumatic Iron Belt Baler is a great choice. Number 2. Combined tensioning, cutter, banding in one machine. No need buckle or seals, while improving efficiency, reduce the waste of strapping roll and save steel resources. 3000 mAh battery can be recharged 2000 times, only charge for 90 minutes, then it can work outdoors for 4 hours, max 2800 N/280 kg tension force. Free your arms. 2-5s friction welding time greatly improve your efficiency. By replacing the spring and commissioning accessories, it can be applied to 1x2 to 5x8 wide, 0.024 to 0.047 thick PET polyester, PP polypropylene. It's a perfect strapping tool for light to medium weight packages such as newspapers, cartons, textiles, plastic pipes. To respective motors for tensioning and welding, stable operation, welding base and wear parts made of titanium alloy, more durable. The battery can be charged independently, so you can purchase replacement battery if there's a lot of work. Bayoshishin take the responsibility for this strapping tool. Please don't worry, professional and friendly after-sales team will help you solve any problem, and you only need to enjoy the convenience it brings. Number 1. The Bayoshisan electric strapping tool is a great strapping tool. It's not only easy to use but also portable and convenient. I have used it a lot of times in packaging, and it's great at the job. The design is sleek and attractive too, which will make your package look much better. There are different sizes of the strap included in this package, and you can choose the right one according to the size of the package. The material is a bit thin, but I've never had problems with it breaking. The tools work very well and are very efficient. It took less than a minute to complete the strap, and the tension was accurate. I would recommend this product to anyone who wants to make sure their package looks good and feels good too. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.